Hi everyone, welcome back to Lucky's Kitchen channel. Today let's enjoy this spicy, creamy, and savory egg dish is perfect when you want something quick, comforting, and packed with flavor. Now let's get started. Crack 4 eggs and mixed with salt and black pepper powder. These spicy creamy chili eggs are packed with bold flavors from garlic, onions, chili sauce, and Schezwan sauce. Soft scrambled eggs coated in a rich, spicy sauce make this a quick and satisfying meal that's ready in just one frying pan. Next, in a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon Schezwan sauce. Three tablespoon water. Mix all sauce ingredients and set aside. Next, heat the cooking oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Pour in the beaten eggs and gently stir, creating soft and creamy curds. Cook until the eggs are about 80% done but still slightly soft. Add the minced garlic and diced onion. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant and slightly softened. Pour the prepared sauce mixture into the pan. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. Love the video, hit subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Add the cooked egg into the pan. Gently fold the eggs into the sauce until evenly coated. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly while keeping the eggs creamy. Sprinkle the chopped green onions over the top. Remove from heat and serve immediately with steamed rice, noodles, or toast. And enjoy this rich, spicy, creamy egg dish in just minutes. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in next recipes.